Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Sacred Shard and Raid Shadow Legends. Sacred Shards are rare high-value summoning items, so it's important to moderate your expectations. Even veteran players often see only a few per month. For free-to-play players, the main sources are Summoning Portals, cost 100k silver per summon, monthly quests, complete all objectives to earn a Sacred Shard, Doom Tower, milestone rewards, especially in hard mode, grant sacred shards, campaign achieve enough stars in hard, brutal, and nightmare stages for shard rewards, events and tournaments, some milestones and event rewards include sacred shards. Sacred shards can also occasionally appear in shops or progression packs, though this may require real-life currency. Focus on consistent gameplay across campaign, Doom Tower, and events to gradually build up your sacred shard for summoning legendary champions. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.